How you doing, everybody? Coming to you from Hitchcock, Woods, and Lyle along the BNSF. We got a couple trains coming. We're going to bring them to you. We hope you enjoy the video. And we're in the height of, I think, our cicada invasion here in northern Illinois. There's one for you to look at. They're all over the place. You can hear them and see them bouncing off things. Hopefully another week or two they'll be out of here and we can have a quiet summer. Metra train pulling into Lyle Station outbound. It'll be here in a few minutes after it drops some folks off. There's a double-headed snake there, double-headed Metra train. Next stop, Naperville. Here we've got outbound Metra train number 1269, BNSF service to Aurora, pulling into the Lyle Station. And we'll bring it to you in just a few minutes. And train 1265 is just a few minutes behind this one. It's pulling into Downers Grove right now, which is the actually Fairview Avenue, a couple stations to our east. This one's just cleared the Lyle Station. Aurora bound. The cicadas are louder than the train is. Inbound Metra. Super fast. I'm guessing 45, 50 miles an hour. Wind's picking up just a little bit. Another outbound commuter train leaving Lyle. On its way to us here at the Yackley Road overpass. Alright, well that was ugly. The old Sony battery gave out a lot sooner than I thought it would. Of course, it died right when a train was coming by, so we missed about half of that one. We're back though. Here comes our Amtrak train, Illinois Zephyr. Usually a short one, 3 or 4 cars. Westbound there, Chicago to Quincy. Next stop, Naperville. All right, we got us a very short local freight train coming through on track 2. Westbound. Nothing real interesting so far this year on our rail side finds. We found some office furniture last year. Got some clear eyes there, one would assume for either somebody with allergies or maybe they were back here next to the tracks smoking something they shouldn't have been. Who knows? Actually, it's legal now, so maybe they should have been. I guess it's all a matter of opinion. Some more garbage up here. Throw your garbage in a garbage can, you know. Nothing real interesting here, though, as far as things next to the tracks. Have our usual supply of railroad ties and ballast. Not sure what that is. Stairway to somewhere. Ignore that. If you know, leave it down in the comments. Let me know. Curious. All right, one more outbound Metra commuter train, or a metric train, as my son Cole used to call them when he was little. He wanted to see the metric train. Of course, it's Metra, standing for Metropolitan Rail, commuter service for the Chicagoland area. Part of the RTA, the Regional Transportation Authority. Probably more information there than you'd ever want to know about Metra. It's an outbound train leaving Lisle. We'll probably make this our last catch for the day. course, got the ditch lights, the Mars light, and a headlight. One of the few systems that still use the oscillating Mars light, which was originally designed for a fire truck by the Mars Light Company in Chicago. So he just shut his headlight down because we have an eastbound train coming as well. All right, there we go. Eastbound coal hoppers, coal gondolas, technically, I guess. They're not hoppers. Headed eastbound toward Chicago. 1 DPU on the back. So more commuter than freight. We caught the one short freight train. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, we're in Lisle, Hitchcock Woods. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.